Guys, me Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Joy-Con drift. It's a pretty simple process. All you really need is like a cleaning solution or contained air or whatever that is, like compressed air. And this is when I clean out underneath Joy-Con. So to clean your Joy-Cons, to get rid of Joy-Con drift, you're going to need three things. You're going to need your Joy-Cons, a Q-tip, and some kind of cleaning solution. So what you want to do is under the Joy-Cons, like a little rubber piece. Sure, get it. See that? Like the little edge right there, it's hard to see. So basically what you want to do, you want to get your Q-tip not too wet, but definitely want to get some material on there. Then you just want to go under the rubber, just kind of rub around in circles. Once you do that, then I'm going to press it down. I'm going to press it down. Then you want to move it around a little bit. Then you're going to let it dry for a little bit. So then use the other side of the Q-tip on the second Joy-Con. Same process, you go under the rubber, move it around in circles, push it down, move it around. And you can let it dry for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, so those are the simple steps to getting rid of your Joy-Con drift. If that doesn't work, you might need to get them replaced or fixed, but this solution seems to work for me. You go on to do it once a month, every month, and your Joy-Cons should be fine and dandy.